Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel, and this week we get to look at a wheelchair accessible penthouse suite on the Majestic Princess of Princess Cruise Lines. You can see it's a nice, big, open, spacious floor plan with beautiful amenities. So when you're ready to book your next cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for our free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks! As I mentioned, this is a wheelchair accessible penthouse suite on the Majestic Princess. And coming into the suite, you can see how spacious it is and how beautifully decorated. You have more beautiful artwork on the walls, and it's a nice open floor plan with one basically large room and a separate bathroom. Just inside the door you have a beautiful beverage station, and right below that you have your mini fridge. So you can keep the beverages of your choice cold or food or whatever you'd like. So very convenient. Nice to have those in your suite. And you also have plenty of storage space. Here's a closet just to the left of the beverage station with plenty of hanging space and towels and a safe and your life vests, of course, and additional amenities. So nice closet with plenty of storage space. And then just on the other side of the entryway are two more closets. So more storage space. You can see you have hangers above and below, so it would be easier for someone in a wheelchair to reach the lower hangers. And you have robes and slippers and other amenities. So lots of storage space. You have a nice big desk just here to the right. You have a love seat right here in your seating area that also folds out into a sofa bed. So you could sleep two additional people if you'd like. There's the hardware you can see that makes it fold out. So very convenient. You have a table and two chairs, so beautiful seating area. You have a nice flat screen TV on the wall that can be retracted to move it out of the way. And a beautiful queen size bed, or you can choose to have it made up as a twin bed. Beautiful light fixtures and decorations in the suite. And here's the bathroom. You can see it's a wheelchair accessible bathroom with a full-length mirror, a wheelchair accessible shower with a shower wand, and a wheelchair accessible toilet as well, right here to the right. It also has a nice single vanity, which is lower to the floor to make it easier for folks in a wheelchair to make use of it. So just a beautiful bathroom, and then heading out through the bedroom, you have a double deck. So a huge, beautiful deck with a lovely view of the world going by as you enjoy cruising the world. You have two chairs and a table, so you can enjoy the beverage of your choice on your double private deck as you watch the world go by. You also have, further to the right, two lounge chairs that you can enjoy as well. So just an amazing suite, very spacious, wheelchair accessible. So when you're ready to book your next amazing cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for our free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks!